Question 1. In Scotland, the weather is described on a typical day by the following tree diagram. There might be rain or no rain. Rain is 70%, 0.7. No rain is 30%, 0.3. If it rains, it might be warm or cold. Warm on the rainy day is 10%, 0.1. The rest is cold. If it's not raining, then it might be warm or cold. On a not rainy day, 25% of the time it's warm, 75% of the time it is cold. So really we have 1, 2, 3, 4 possible pathways. Rain and warm, rain and cold, no rain and warm, no rain and cold. Question A. State the probability on a given day that it won't rain. We're just looking here. If it's here that it won't rain, we can see that is 0.3. B. On a rainy day, state the probability that it is warm. So it is a rainy day. We're here. What's the chance it's warm? 0.1. C. Calculate the probability on a given day that there is rain and it is cold. There is rain and it is cold. So we're looking for pathway 2. So I'm going to write that down, that it's pathway 2. It's very clear. We need to follow that path, so it's 0.7, and in tree diagrams we multiply by 0.9. 0.7 times 0.9, 0.63. There is a 63% chance that on a typical day in Scotland it is raining and it is cold. C part 2. What's the probability there is no rain and it is warm? No rain and it is warm. That's pathway 3, so we're going to write down it's pathway 3. Looking at the numbers, that is 0.3 times 0.25. So with the calculator, 0.3 times 0.25, we get 0.075. 0.075. C. Calculate the probability on a given day that it is warm. So we're starting off here. We could go this way and end up being warm, and we can go this way. Both would work. They both are warm. So we know we need answer 1 plus answer 3, which is going to be, using the numbers, 0.7 times 0.1 plus answer 3, 0.3 times 0.25. That is 0.07, and the 0.075 that we had just now, 0.145. Part 4. What's the probability it is cold? So we've got two ways to do it. We can either say we are doing 2 and 4, so we could say it's 2 plus 4, or we could say the choice is either warm or cold. We just worked out that warm was 0.145. So I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to say it's 1 minus 0.145, because cold is the alternative to warm. And if we do 1 minus 0.145, 0.855. D. Which of the 4 types of day is most likely? Well, what information do we have so far? We can go back up, pulling out numbers from our working. We know that this is 0.07. Number 2 was 0.63, very big. Number 3 was 0.05. The final one would be 0.3 times 0.75. 0.3 times 0.75, 0.225. Which one is the biggest value? Clearly it's number 2 that's the biggest value, 0.63. So we know that 0.63 was rain and cold. Okay,